All right, what's up, everybody? It is day 16 of my 75 hard challenge, and here's your daily question. Ooh, look at that flame. So your daily question is, what are the 3 patterns or beliefs that are limiting your ability to change, whatever that is? For me, it's been my diet, and my 3 patterns that I have uncovered are, number 1 is I've tried every diet under the sun and they don't work. The second is that I have a fear of missing out, especially in social settings, that I'm never going to have this meal again and I need to eat the best thing on the menu, so on and so forth. And then the third would be my willpower. I don't have any willpower when it comes to food. And so those are the 3 things that I've sort of uncovered and really been focused on. When I look at my diet, I'm just doing low calorie. I'm not doing any kind of a gimmick diet, not limiting my food, just low calorie. Telling myself that I can. And when I do go out in the social settings, I'm not eating the 16-ounce ribeye. I'm eating a fish or something else that's just as good. So what about you? Where are you at? Well, that's day 16, and it's in the books, so we'll see you tomorrow.